everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to show you a new hairstyle. It's pretty cute.
Nova's also wearing a bow from our bow shop, Nova Rosie Handmade. And we will give you a little bit more of a peek in a minute. These bows launch in our shop tomorrow. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm doing a deep right side part above her right eyebrow. I'm just going to comb it out so it's smooth, and I'm spraying her hair and using damp hair as I go. From here, I'm going to make another part at the back of the crown, and then a part on the side, leaving about 2 inches of the hair by her ear down. From here, I'm just adding more water so I can control the flyaways, and I'm going to loosely secure this front section for now. The rest of the hair I'm spraying down with water and spray gel. I will use a brush first to brush all of her hair out, and then I'll use a comb to smooth it. And we are going to do a side ponytail. It should sort of be diagonal with that V from the front section that you see. We're going to come back to the front section, and this is mostly what we're going to be working with for the rest of the hairstyle. I'm going to make a part right down the center because I'm going to have 4 sections. This second half I'm going to secure off, and then the first half we're going to part down the middle again. I'll comb it out, and then I'll use an elastic and come all the way over to the left and secure the hair. From here, I'm going to split this hair into 2. The back area that I split I'm going to add to my second ponytail, and the front area I'm just going to leave out. So you've got kind of a waterfall piece and then another piece that's connecting back into the second ponytail. Next, we're taking our second half out of its placeholder, and then I'm going to split this section in half as well. This just helps you get much more even sections as you go. So I'm going to take the second ponytail, split it in half, add the back half of this ponytail to the third ponytail, and leave the front half out. So again, I'm getting that waterfall effect. I'm going to comb it over to the side and add another elastic, and then we are going to repeat this step one more time. So I'm just going to split this third ponytail in half, add the back half to my fourth ponytail. From here, you'll have 4 waterfall sections that are kind of hanging out to the side. I'm spraying them down with a little bit of water and spray gel, and then I'm going to braid the first and third section. I had more to this part of the video, but I was standing right in front of her and I didn't realize it until I went to edit. So I braided that first section, and then I'm going to braid the third section. So first and third sections will be braided. Second and fourth sections will not be braided. Now you can braid all the sections if you want. I just liked the look of not braiding 2 of them. I thought it was pretty cute. So from here, we're going to take all 4 sections and secure it into that side ponytail. I'm making sure to use spray gel and kind of define these sections that don't have braids in them. It's just going to give the style a more defined look throughout the day. I'm going to wet down this bottom section of her hair and then just do a 3-strand braid with the rest of the hair. I'm going to come all the way down to the end of the hair once I've got my 3-strand braid as far as I want it. I'm simply going to add an elastic to the bottom, and there you have it. We're going to add our cute bow from Nova Rosie Handmade, and then here is one final spin of our adorable hairstyle. We hope that you like this video tutorial. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, right? Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
And subscribe.
And subscribe in the comments down below.
Leave a comment down below. Thanks so much for watching. See you next week.
Bye.